Hey guys, this is Danny, and I'm back with another video. I wanted to do this really quick video of my little collection. Well, it's not little, but my collection of my makeup and my little area that I'm trying to utilize because I had a makeup room, but when I moved back to the States, yeah, this is what I have right now. But I'm making it work until I get a bigger area. So this is the area. That back there was a closet, as you can see. My wig head's up there. But yeah, this was a closet back there. But I added shelves for all my makeup palettes. Also, sorry guys, I just knocked over my garbage can. Also, here's all my palettes. And then I have more palettes up here. And up here I just have some stuff that like I have my wig head and my special effects head. And yeah, down here, I have a bag full of I had this bag for years. I think I got this from Victoria's Secret. But here I have like my hot tools, like my crimper, my hair crimper and flat irons and stuff is in there. And then this bag I have, I'll talk about this one later, but I have my new pattern blow dryer in this. I love this blow dryer, but I'll talk about that later. So I have my pattern blow dryer in there. Then on this desk I have just some miscellaneous stuff that I have my book over there, but I have like cards, postcards, and business cards and things like that over there. And this I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with yet. These here, or I used to have these filled with like eyeliners and stuff, but they're empty for right now. But I do have like lip balms and stuff like that. Here I have my, it's like an earring cuff. I haven't worn it yet, but yeah, I thought it was cute. And then I have like my lace mask in here. And then these drawers mostly are eyelashes. I have to fix this drawer because it's just, yeah, I have to fix it. And then this drawer is just miscellaneous stuff in there. That's it. And up here I have my makeup brushes. Some of my makeup brushes, I have some more that have to be cleaned, but these are just my makeup brushes here. I have it in this Lazy Susan. And I bought these beads from Michaels just so that my brushes could stand up. Then I have my blushes, my highlighters, all that stuff in here. And I got this drawer from Michaels. And I have some more lip glosses in here. This is gorgeous. I just bought this yesterday. It's by Lime Crime. And it's called Wet Cherry. And it's in cherry slime. Yeah, it's so pretty. It smells good too. So I got all of those in here. And then my lipsticks are in here. Yeah, I got, and lip glosses because I have so many. And I'm running out of space. So here, this mirror, as y'all can see, hey, this mirror goes to that desk over there. I just moved it here because I use the bigger desk when I do my makeup. Here I just have, it's just stuff in there. It's nothing really big. Here I have some bracelets, my crystal, and some other little things in there. Pencil. And then I got these jars from the Dollar Tree. So I put my makeup rounds, my cotton rounds in there. I put my makeup sponges in here. And I keep my cotton Q-tips in here. And then I have my crystals there. And my mirror, my other mirror. I got this My son got me this for Hanukkah. I think it was Hanukkah or my birthday. I think it was Hanukkah. And I really like it. So down here is my drawer, which I got these little containers from Amazon. So I have mostly all my makeup, my lip liners, my eyeliners, my sponges, my tape that I use when I'm doing different looks, my sanitizer, hand sanitizer, some glitters, some liquid eyeshadows, some foundation concealers, um, and mascaras are all here. I have tons of mascaras. Some I haven't even used yet. I have many mascaras. I have face primers, eye primers. Those are all in here. And then on top, I have my go-to, my everyday go-to. Like I have my sunscreen, my Black Rose sunscreen, my everyday serums, and my foundations and lotion, and my clarifying lotion. I have in here, I have my big eyeshadow sticks, and I have like perfume, travel size perfume in there. I have my eyelash curlers, tweezers, all the good stuff. And then there's my brushes that I use that needs to be clean. Then I have my, of course, my sunglasses, my Gucci glasses, and my Versace glasses that I should be wearing because I can't see. I have all my skincare. Most of the stuff I haven't used yet. A lot of the stuff that I have, I got from Gratis, from work. So, I haven't even used yet. So, I'm going to, and I'll do a video on how I like it. So, I have Good Molecules. I have Peach and Lily. I have, of course, my Clinique. I have my Haitian black castor oil. I have like 3 bottles of these. My Take the Day Off. Then down here, I have more skincare all in there. I have to reorganize that. Then I have more skincare down here. And then some miscellaneous stuff down there. And then this, I keep all my toiletries and stuff in because this is my travel kit. So it's already ready to go whenever I leave. This down here is just stuff that I have no place for right now. So I just keep that in there. And in here, I have like face wipes, and I have cotton rounds and cotton balls, stuff like that in there. And then I'll show you guys up here. I have my Hershey Kiss PR box from Glamlight, where I have my my palettes were in, and then my IMAX lipstick pencil, my Pepsi purse. I got this from a yard sale. I got it for like $5. It's all beaded. It's really nice. Yeah. So I'll take you guys around here. This stuff is like my body butters and oils, all that good stuff. Hair stuff is in here. Some more hair stuff and some more hair stuff. Then over here is all my fragrances. I have Burberry Her, I have Burberry Elixir, I have Prada, Treasure, more Prada. I have Michael Kors, I have more Burberry, Versace, Gucci, YSL, Clinique, Opium, or Black Opium, J'adore. I have a whole bunch of stuff over here. And then this is my husband's side, his fragrances here. And then I have down here all my, well, some more of my makeup palettes. I haven't counted them all. I don't know how many I have. One day I will, though. So I have all these makeup palettes. I have my Prince makeup palette that I love. I got both of them. So I got both of these. And then my Cherry Pie makeup palette from Glamlite. Then Urban Decay. Then I have my Too Faced Pumpkin Slice. I got my Cherry Coke from Morphe. This one I got from IMAX. Then here go my Hershey Kiss palettes. I got 5 of these. So I got it in the milk chocolate. I got milk chocolate with almonds palette. So I have a lot of those. And then I have Frosted Flakes palette. Then move down here. I have smaller palettes. So I have all of these here. All of these are palettes. Then I have some more palettes. I got these 3 from IMAX. Oh, I got these 4 from IMAX. This I got from, I don't know where I got this from. I think one of them subscription boxes. And I got this one from IMAX last year. And then I got more palettes here. More palettes here. My little strawberry shortcake sponge. My other glasses. Yeah, these are all my single eyeshadows, glitters, pigments. I have some more eyeshadows here. I got these cases, or this little display from work. I got both of these, and then I just added my little bling to it. Then down here, I got this. These are all my special effects makeup. Like I have the wax, I have the blood, I have the different colors to make bruises. I have like little tools I use. What else? Some more special effects stuff. I got rhinestones. I have latex. Fake hair. Wool. And what else? I got little. I got this from Walmart. Like when their Halloween went on sale. I haven't used it yet. Unicorn horn. So I'll figure something out if I look or something. Let's see. Well, there we go. Then I got some more spoolies for when I do makeup looks on people. You know, I can disposable mascara wands. So I got those. And some more makeup wipes and puffs. And some more stuff for gloves and stuff. Glue sticks. So that's on that side. And on here I have all my earrings that I just bought. So I keep all my little rhinestone earrings in there. And some more colorful earrings in there. Some more earrings. And then I got more earrings down there. So I keep them in here. So they won't get messed up. And then down there is just more hair stuff. Over here is my wig head that when I style my wigs. And then this little tray here is mostly nail stuff. Everything has have to do with nails, or it's on this stand here. So what I did is I had tons of press-on nails, and I just put them all in this little container. And yeah, I think these are really cool how I did that. And then there's more just to keep them all together and neat. And then I got like little tools and glue and fingernail cutters. Then I have these stick-on your nails. Then I have these little nail art. Then I have more nails here. And then down here is all my nail polishes. From OPI to Essie to China Glaze and Sally Hansen. And then down here, like emery boards and polish remover. So this is all on here. So this is all my little collection. I will go in more detail, and that will be a longer video. So, because I want to show you guys my palette collection. And yeah, so that is it for now. And I will talk to you guys on the next video. Have a great day. Bye.